Giving everybody a little bit to hop onto the stream. Welcome everybody. Welcome to my channel, Volcanic, where I post gameplays of Call of Duty, sometimes mini militia, and sometimes random ass games. But also, I be day trading. So, yeah, I don't know if you guys know. For some of you that watched my last live stream, I was on this morning, day trading with. I was day trading with, what was it? Today I was day trading with XRP guy actually. There's his chart. Pretty good progress today, as you can see. So, if you guys seen my last live stream, I basically started this morning at $75. I invested in this meme coin, XRP guy. I think I invested in him at around this time. And then I jumped out around here or whatnot. But anyway, 190 take away 75. That's $115 in profit that I made today so far, as of right now. So what I want to do with that $115 is actually put it straight to my bank. I'm gonna go ahead and send $115 that I made today in profit since this morning to my Solana Coinbase. I should get it here in a bit. See, right now I'm at 680 and my Solana is 387. But here in a bit I will get that other 115 that I made today in profit with my meme coin XRP guy. Just waiting a little bit. Just trying to collect my profits for today. While I let that set into my Coinbase, I'm gonna go ahead and look at some other tokens and coins. That way I can kind of see what I'm trying to invest in next. Oh wow, Spooderman. How is he going? In the last 5 minutes, he had about 73 sells, barely 50 buys. Not a lot of people on him right now. So not the best to invest. Not yet, at least. Let me check out the hour. No way, this one's actually taken off. No, it did. It looks like this one right now got a steady growth. Still waiting for my 115 Solana to kick in. So it looks like everybody's hopping on to this meme coin as of right this moment. I see a few buys with $1,000 putting in. So I might think about pumping with him as well. Yeah, there's some buyers right now. Let me just keep watching it a little bit longer. Yeah, looks like buyers are taking over. So buyers are taking over. I'm back at $75, like how I was this morning. I'm gonna try that meme coin out. Might as well try it out. We'll try out our first meme coin for tonight. I'll put $70. It'll get me back at 64. Hold on 1 second. 68. Yeah, I want $68. Okay. I'll give that a little bit. So we're at $68.65. Hopefully the buyers keep buying and it pushes up. I think it looks like it's going to be pushing up here in a bit. Looks like the buyers are just now about to start pushing. So I might have got it at the right time, but we'll see. We'll just watch it and we'll see what happens. So far in the first 5 minutes, we already get the first green right here. As you can see, it's green now. Just moments ago before that, it was red. So we just now hopped into an uptrend. The 5 minutes mark restarts. Buyers are still winning, but barely. Okay, so now we're at $79 already. Not bad, not bad. We're off to a good start. Going pretty good. I think I'm gonna see if I can jump out from there. Max it out. No way. So we just got a huge jump, I think. So now we're back at $123, guys. You guys just seen that for yourselves. That's how you make money on here. It's that simple. Look at that jump. We jumped out right at this moment. We jumped out perfectly. So that was a good. See, that was a good entry, and that was a good exit. So that's how you guys day trade right there. That's all you need to be doing. Simple. So as you see, we're at 123 now. We were just at $75, and now we're at 123 already. So we just basically made another $100. That's crazy, guys. Right? Because I'm doing the math right? So 123, 123, no. 2, 3, take away 75. Also, we made $48, that's right. So we made $48 so far. Let's take a look at the coin again. So now, as you guys can see, we're in an uptrend. I think I'm gonna wait until I see the next dip. It should be happening here in just a bit. We should be seeing it in the next 5-minute mark. Put it on the 1 second so we can take a closer look. We got So it just keeps going up on buys, guys. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to enter again. But you gotta be careful, guys, when the way y'all enter in again, because so I was just at $75, and now I'm gonna try to jump back in to the same meme coin I was just in. I'm gonna try to put it to the max on my Solana, not all the way to the max, but actually like somewhat the max. So I jump in right now. As you guys can see, we jumped in at a good time because we just doubled our money a little bit. Just give it a moment, guys. It looks like I went down, but it's just the way that the coin is new and the fact that everybody's buying and selling right now. So there you go. As you guys can see, we're still back to the same amount we just jumped in at. So what I want to do now is we were at around like $122 when we jumped in, and now it says 108. So what I'm doing now is kind of watching it and waiting for it to go up to the next highest point where I think it's gonna where I want to take profit. So right now I'm just watching, letting it refresh. You see how the numbers change as I constantly refresh this? You see how the dollar changes on my Solana from the coin, from the coin to the Solana. It keeps. That's because that's changing because of this chart right here. So as we watch this chart, if you have another monitor or something, you can watch the chart on the monitor, and then have your other your play action controller on the screen right here, like I have it, watching it right here. So I'm just constantly refreshing. You see the dollar changing. We're at 115 now. Again, we hopped in at what, 122, 120. So what we're trying to do is try to get a little bit more than 120. So I'm gonna try to see if I can hop out at 100 and maybe 130. I think it's gonna go up at 130 because the way I see the push in buyers right now, but buyers are barely winning. 164 buyers in the last 5 minutes compared to sells with 138 in the last 5 minutes. You can also see the sells are also going up, but also the buys. So right now the buys look like they're winning. So we're still looking pretty strong right now. I'm gonna hold off a little bit more, see if I could get to 130. Trying to watch the meme coin to the Solana as you see how the dollar changes dramatically. So I'm just kind of watching and waiting for it the right moment to hop out. What is up, Take C? Welcome to the chat. Trying to flip some money real quick, bud. Right now I'm on Maestro AI. It's just some new token that launched probably like an hour ago, bro. So it's pretty new right now. I'm on it, trying to be quick about it. Here's the chart. Looking pretty strong right now on buys in the last 5 minutes. ×2 from the sells. In the last 15 minutes, definitely have a huge amount over buys. Looks like we're at a steady pace going up at the moment. I hopped in at around 120. Now we're at 121, but look closely when I try to withdraw all of it. We're at 119. I'm still watching it. Oh, see, we just dropped down to 109. You see that huge drop we had? So you guys can see the huge dramatic changes you see on these meme coins. So you can see why people say that usually is scams on here. But if you really know what you're doing, you and be quick about it, you can actually get a lot of money on here. So we have a huge drop for some reason right now. I'm gonna check out the chart. So there's a drop. It just happened right now that I just seen. We went from 120 to 120 or 117 to $100, but now we're watching it go up again by the second. We're looking at all these buyers. They're buying, putting $200, $900, or $299.97. Well, it looks like buyers are still going pretty strong with more amounts going down. So I'm gonna still hold off. Maybe we get back up. Just give it a little bit. Oops. Oh, see, we're going back up now. Oh, now we're going back down. Who is doing this? It's the dude with $800 and $200 going down right there. Yeah, that's him. So now we're back at 107. You guys can see how huge dramatic changes can happen. So snap 120. That might be a good time to jump out, maybe. We're at around 118. We're back at the mark where we entered. I'm just watching you guys. I'm just trying to steadily watch this. See, look, we were at 122 at a moment, and now we're back at 113. Back at 118. So my goal is trying to get this amount of Maestro less than the amount I get on Solana. So that's what I'm trying to watch. I'm trying to get the most profit I can get out of this. You can't just switch tokens and you're gonna end up losing profit than what you entered in. So I'm just waiting and waiting, watching these numbers change. Check out the chart again. We're still in the same spot. Oh, we just keep going down and up in the same spot, guys. So a lot of buyers and sellers are fighting right now. You kind of don't want to find yourself in this situation, but I have a little bit more experience, so I'm kind of just going with it. Like, fuck it. But I think it's going to go up slowly, gradually, but I'm just trying to explain. That way I have time to explain to you guys what's going on. $109 now. I'm still waiting till we get at least past 120. I kind of want to retreat from this meme coin now. Damn, I don't know how I feel about this one now. I'm going to jump out at 120 once it hits where I entered. All right, it's not looking too great at the moment. I think I'm going to retreat. I'm going to make sure one more time. Really trying to get profit though. What was that? No, yeah. I'm gonna retreat now. Uh-oh. Restart mine. And retreat while I can. I'll leave it right there for right now. But you guys get the gist. How dramatic these things can change. And so now, as you guys can see, we're in a low trend. In the last 5 minutes, we have it in the chart. It says the buyers are winning. The sellers are winning right now. I'm gonna back off of that coin for right now. I'm gonna look at these other ones. Okay, so I'm gonna go see if I got my other cash that I profited today yet. Not yet. Still waiting for it to hit. Not much going on in that one at the moment. Yeah, this was one that had launched also this morning. I was kind of iffy about it because it just launched. But it looks pretty legit, honestly. Right now would be a good time to buy too. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and buy. Right now would be a good time. So here's the call, guys. Or here's the next call. Jump in at XRP 6900. Perfect. Perfect entry right now. Back at 109. So we entered at what, $99 or $100? Now we're at 106. Hopefully it keeps pushing up. We might get some sellers because of everybody that bought maybe around here. So we're going to get some turbulence right here. But I think we're going to keep going up because this is a new coin and everybody's focused on this right now. As you can see in the last 5 minutes. In the last 15 minutes, we have a lot more buyers. Here in the next few minutes, we might get a lot of more sellers because everybody's trying to get their money that bought from here at the bottom. Maybe around here too. Everybody's trying to sell at this point, maybe even. So we might go down a little bit, but we'll start gradually going up, in my guess. So the selling should be happening right now. I think I jumped in a little bit early, but we'll watch it from here. The reason why I trust this one, because there's about 7,000 holders, good amount of people. The liquidity at 115, 119, huge jump. What was that? What was this dude with 2,000 that put down? Might see a huge change in money again. Just watching it right now. So I think we're going to start gradually going up again. That was just some of the sales that kicked in. Here in a bit, you'll see the 5-minute mark turn green. Buyers are finna start winning here in a bit. I suggest you guys start buying now, because this XRP 6900 is finna start pumping up again here in a bit. That was the first wave that we just completed. Everybody's starting to buy again, as you guys can see. So right now is the perfect time to jump in at this moment. So I'm gonna let that sit there for a bit. As you guys can see, we should be going up here in a bit. Yeah, we're sitting at 104 right now. I'm gonna see if I got my other 115, and I sure did. So I got my 115 from today, earlier this morning, that I made from crypto meme coins. I'm gonna go ahead and send it to my bank. Cash out that 115. Withdraw. Oh, first of all, I gotta like convert the Solana that I got today, which was 115. Convert that to USD for my bank. Of course, it takes some fees, so we got back $111, and that is what I'm gonna use for my paycheck today that I made. So far, at least. We are currently working on our other half of the paycheck, I guess, which is right now in this other meme coin. So right now we started at $75 on this one, so we're up $20 already. And we got another $111 right here, so we're at $130 something dollars. So we made a profit total today at the moment. Withdraw my cash to my bank. It should be $100, should be in my bank within 1 to 3 business days. $100. And just like that, $100 is coming into my bank straight from meme coins. It's that simple. If you guys want to catch up on this too, you guys can go ahead and subscribe and follow me. Keep in touch with my live streams, because that way we can look at this stuff together and make money together and come out of this stuff together. Let's do it. If you guys enjoyed this live stream, leave a like. Let me know down in the comments you guys enjoyed and found this interesting and helpful. Go ahead and watch my last live stream so you guys can see what I had made total today, and kind of see my strategies on how I was able to see and when would be a good time to jump in and out. Basically, yeah, peace out, guys. That's it for this stream.